All right, so this last little bit of demo, I guess, is I ran out of time on the last one. And just show you how to decipher shapes within hair. So it's like, yeah, I might be drawing, something like this, which looks all shapy and designy and whatnot. But the thing is that when I look at this kind of shape, I can see the form in this shape. Like I'll just start gridding things. And so whenever you're, going to paint up a shape like this, it's important that you can see the actual dimension within the shape. So even though it's a cutout, a flat cutout, it's something that has within it a three-dimensional form. There. So if I go ahead and shade this, then, the result is something like this. Oops. Now, I'm going into each and every individual piece and shading it, but, all the pieces on this side of the head, I think I'm probably going to just plunge them into dark there. So you have to keep in mind, the overall shape of the head. Don't just, like you can shade them individually, but then at some point you're going to wind up just plunging a large part of the head in darkness. Meanwhile, you'll be lighting up other sections of the head or the hair. And of course, you'd be using a striated brush as opposed to a hard circle brush, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Plus, I am not breaking any of this stuff up. I'm just in the shadowed area, I'm using like a crevice, going in there with a crevice tool. Just a hard circle brush. I might still go in there and knock some of this down just a little bit further and make it a little less flat. Just get some more overall shape and form. So I'm going in there with fairly large brush strokes just to push things back. So it's just a matter of overall compositing. You're just trying to make everything kind of fit well together. And, and yet you want some definition between things. and now I'm going in and lighting these parts up. So the hair that I'm dealing with right now is quite monochromatic. And naturally you'll be switching a lot more colors a lot more frequently. But you know, that gives you an idea of how the hair can be seen like sculpting. In fact, I'm going to knock this bit back because it's on the other side of the head. Yeah, it was looking a little out of place. Okay, so that's how you discern form within a flat cutout shape.